Davanagiri Benne Dosa. I mean, this yellow marking in the road there. This is so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. Here only. किधर पार्क करना है? आगे. Davanagiri Benne Dosa means butter dosa, right? This place is beautiful here. Really, what a beautiful place here. Feels like somewhere else. I mean, this yellow marking in the road, the surrounding, it really feels like somewhere else. What a beautiful location this is. Amazing. Feels like some hill station. Suddenly there is a dip. There is Adiyogi. Location, man. There. Beautiful. This is so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. The mountains in the backdrop, clouds, and the Adiyogi there. Wow. It's very chill here. It's like winter. So beautiful. Om Namah Shivaya. Adiyogi ji, pranam. Chalo. आगे चलते हैं, जाके देखेंगे क्या है आगे। बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है, मज़ा आ गया। वर्थ है, वर्थ आना इधर। इट्स रियली वर्थ कमिंग हियर। वेरी चिल यार, बहुत चिल है। मज़ा आ गया मेरे को, इतना चिल है कि विंटर जैसा चिलनेस है इधर पे। पूरा मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, एक एक चीज़, कण कण दिखा रहा हूँ मैं। आई एम शोइंग यू everything. I see that there is one shop that is open. Wow. So parking is here. How much? 20. 1 minute. Thank you. Here only? किधर पार्क करना है? आगे। बाइक में रख सकते हैं बैग?
रख सकते हैं, डॉट है तो ले लीजिए।
ठीक है। Alright guys, here we are at the Adiyogi. तो गाइस आदियोगी हम पहुंच गए हैं और इधर पे तो यहाँ पे जो वॉलंटरी सर्विस करते हैं वो मिले हैं यहाँ पे, तो ये अभी इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे।
काफ़ी दूर से आए हैं, चेन्नई से आए हैं, बात करके अच्छा लगा हम लोगों को।
ये कलकत्ता से हैं।
देखेंगे हम लोग कोलकाता से हैं।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इनका कि नए सब्सक्राइबर बन गए अभी।
ये भैया से मिलकर बहुत खुशी है हम लोग का।
आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम बापा आदित्य सरदार है, बंगाल से हूँ जी।
ओके, आपका नाम?
मैं दीपक सरदार हूँ।
दीपक सरदार, अच्छा। यहाँ पे एक्चुअली ये हिल स्टेशन जैसा एटमॉस्फेयर है, नहीं बहुत सुंदर है। तो यहाँ पे हमने अभी जूता दे दिया है, ये वहाँ पे मिल जाएगा हमको, क्योंकि एग्ज़िट जो है वो उधर से है, एंट्री सिर्फ इधर से है।
अगर किसी को आदियोगी पे आना है तो आ जाइए, आपको मनोकामना भी पूर्ण हो जाएगा। बहुत लोग आ सकते हैं, किसी का नसीब में नहीं मिलता है, भैया आप लोग आ जाइए।
जी बिल्कुल, जैसे भगवान का बुलावा होता है वैसा ही है इधर से भी। ओके, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके। Alright everyone, so welcome to Adiyogi Isha Yoga Center at Chikkaballapur. Such a beautiful place. I actually am lost. I forgot all the words because the beauty here is such as you cannot really describe it. Here you have Naga Devta and a very beautifully decorated and maintained temple. Wow, so beautiful. Loving it. Really beautiful. Really beautiful. Adiyogi ki jai. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. So here you have the entrance. On the other side you have a very big Trishul, which Shiva carries, right? So there you have a very big Trishul, and you have then the Nagaraj, that is on Shiva's neck, around Shiva's neck, and you pray there a little and then come to this beautiful place. Amazing. Now actually going towards Adiyogi ji. Such a beautifully done thing here. He looks so happy, he looks smiling, and he knows everything, right? So that is what I can feel from him here, After riding such a long distance, my lips are getting dry because also it's very chill here compared to Chennai. I think it must be very low in temperature, and when there will be a festive time here, I think it's gonna look just so magnificent. வாங்க கொஞ்சம் இன்னும் முன்னாடி போய் பார்ப்போம் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு. चलो गाइस, पास में जाके देखते हैं कितने बड़े हैं शिव जी. Even the Nandi looks so beautifully done and beautifully created, right? Looks exactly like how a Nandi would sit in front of Shiva. Amazing. Actually, over there, if you can see, his iris is also visible, right? But I think that's only for pigeons, so that they don't come and sit. But it looks like small hair, right? Look at this, man. Such a beautiful place. It's very difficult to, I think, get back from here and go to Chennai. Looks beautiful. Oh, I was about to drop my camera. Got it. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. So going to just spend some time here, closing my eyes and meditating on Adiyogi, because I came all the way here. So although I would like to spend here a lot more time than just 1 hour, but I think it's not really possible. Maybe 15-20 minutes more and then I will have to begin again, because 6.5 hours it will take for me to go back to Chennai, right? So considering and keeping that in mind, I think this is the right thing to do. Adiyogi ji here, really beautiful, and had an amazing time. But yeah, I wish I had more time, guys. So yeah, not signing off now, but maybe later, right? We're going to start from here now, and I don't know where exactly the shoes are, but I think somewhere over there. I will refill water here so that I do not run out of water, and then I'll take the shoe. I think the shoes are there, and then we go to the bike and begin our ride journey back home, guys. Yeah, you have a little shack kind of thing here to actually, this is where your footwear comes, and from here you get your footwear. They give you a token with a number, and then you take your footwear, and now we can wear it here. Although it had rained and it is very muddy kind of situation, so how will I wear my, can I wear my socks? Alright, we have to wear the socks and then get back, so nothing much to shoot.